Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with WeTransfer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer files using WeTransfer, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.wetransfer.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the WeTransfer interface. If prompted, you can accept cookies to enhance your experience. On the main screen, you will see an option to add files. Click on the Add Your Files button. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the location on your device where your files are stored. Select the files you wish to transfer. You can choose multiple files by holding the Control or Command key while selecting. After selecting your files, click on the Open button. Once your files are uploaded, you will need to enter the recipient's email address. In the next field, enter your email address. You can also add a message to the recipient if you'd like. Ensure that you have entered the information correctly. Next, click on the Transfer button. WeTransfer will now start uploading your files. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the upload is complete. When the upload is finished, the recipient will receive an email with a download link. You will also receive a confirmation email once your files are sent. That's it, you've successfully transferred files using WeTransfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.